That's Tasia.
That's Anthony, and we're the Thompsons. Come on, wine with us.
Gentlemen, and all the lovers around the world, I want to talk about the one I love. I know a lot of times we forget.
Hi everybody, it's Thompson Gang in this joint. Before we get into this video, remember to give this video a thumbs up, comment below, subscribe to our channel, and share this video with everyone that you guys know. Alright baby, let them know what we doing today.
Woo! Thompson Gang, Thompson Gang, Thompson Gang. So today, y'all, as y'all can see, we got it set up nice. It's close. It's in your face, y'all. So today we are doing a taco and nacho mukbang. We got soft shell tacos. We got a little nacho platter here. We got hard shell tacos.
The hard shells are for me, the soft shells are for him, and the tacos, the nachos.
And then the nachos. And then on the nachos we have lettuce, tomato, jalapenos, taco sauce, sour cream, cheese.
And that's the same thing we actually have on both. And then I cook corn into the taco meat.
Yes.
It's not gonna be much talking in this intro here.
And today we have our coldest water bottle. As always, check the description box below if you guys are interested. But y'all, we can't do too much talking. I'm starved. It's 8 p.m., almost 9, and I've been ready to eat all day, y'all.
Yeah.
No, look.
Taco's my favorite food.
Oh my God.
What's your favorite food? Put that in the comment box.
All I can do is shake my head because this is just
It's so good.
beyond fire.
And y'all don't like messiness, it's not the video for y'all because it's gonna get messy.
I'm mad that it's so good.
We won it. Do the 10 taco a piece challenge. But
I can't eat no
I can't do it right now.
Not right now. Very second, y'all. Now these nachos.
It's all so good. That must mean it's good, y'all. I'm cheating today. Drinking a Coke. We'll see how much of it.
Y'all know with certain meals you have to have like a pop or something. And I feel like taco is an exception.
Yeah. I get no meat. Sorry, y'all. This nacho ain't trying to have it. All right, y'all. Well, the kids about to get ready to go back to school.
Who ready?
I'm excited. I'm so excited. Mikhail's going to school. I'm so excited.
Yes. This is his first year. Mikhail's birthday is next week, y'all. It's bittersweet that we're gonna have a 3-year-old.
It's almost crazy to say.
It is crazy to say. I was looking today and we was telling somebody he's gonna be 3, and I was thinking in my head like, wow, this guy's gonna be 3.
Yes.
Like legitly.
It's crazy.
You know, look at my scoop. Got my yellow jalapeno on there. All that good stuff.
We'll see how much it is. I can make it through.
Comment below, are y'all team tacos or team nachos? Because there's a difference.
Definitely. Definitely a difference.
I don't know. I feel like I'm like...
I don't know. I can't pick. It's both for me.
It's right down the middle. Sorry, y'all. All y'all hear is smacking and There's a challenge out there, y'all. It's called the no challenge. So like goodness. You eat or something and then the whole time you can't say
Oh, I lose that.
I will lose too because as soon as I put something in my mouth and it's good, I instantly like instantly go.
I'm gonna go ahead and put it in the title. This gets messy. I'm gonna put get messy.
Yeah, because that
so
it
if
does.
you don't like it, if you don't like messy eating, this is not for you. Because I don't like wasting my meat and stuff. I want it all.
So y'all, if y'all noticed today, we tried something different with the food again. We have it laid out, no plates. We have it just laid out like directly on the table with some paper and stuff to kind of.
We're gonna keep trying different layouts till
we find the right one for us.
Yeah, the right one for us.
I made some fat tacos, y'all.
I did too. Like ridiculously.
I'm like ridiculously. I have a lot of meat in all these tacos.
I'm starting to get full now. But I'm trying not to.
Can't help it.
Y'all, believe it or not, I just started warming my taco shells up in the oven.
Yeah, I've always warmed myself in the microwave. I used to warm myself on the stove when I had a gas stove. And I used to take turn the fire on and turn it real, real low. And then just put my damn taco shells directly on the eye. When I tell y'all it was a hit, that was a hit. But those were the struggle days.
Y'all, this is a horrifying mess, but the best mess. And I don't care about getting messy with y'all because y'all Thompson gang.
They like it messy
and
anyway.
Everybody in Thompson gang like to eat. Am I right? Or am I wrong? Sorry, y'all. I keep looking in the viewfinder. This grease be trying to come down and get me. Y'all, I got one more taco.
I ain't gonna make it.
I'm trying to eat all four of them, y'all.
I'm gonna be sick. First one, what I should have did, y'all.
But
put that much meat on my tacos because what I did was I made 2 fat tacos, not thinking that I had nachos. So, once again, y'all, hold this water bottle.
y'all, I'm gonna do it. Just for y'all. I might feel a little achy afterwards.
Achy? You're just sick.
But I'll be okay. This is warming me up for the 10 taco challenge.
Your husband's gonna lose. I just need 1 string of lettuce, 1 little tomato, a fourth of a shell.
The all gotta be full taco.
Do I look sick, y'all? If I look sick, comment below and tell me I look sick because I feel sick. No, seriously.
You feel sick, baby? I'm definitely gonna take out this last taco for y'all.
That's sick, y'all.
Your girl can eat.
Your boy can't. Okay. I never could hold an appetite, y'all. Ex-bae, within the whole 8 years of us being together, my appetite was never big. And then growing up, nope. I used to eat noodles and have a jolly good day with my life.
The most he eats is when I'm pregnant.
Yeah, that's sick. I used to eat.
When I'm pregnant, he eats a lot.
Whole Subway sandwiches.
Yeah. I'm so full, y'all. These last 2 bites are killing me softly.
I just got disgusted by the little bite that I just took. I'm not gonna lie. I think I won't eat tacos no more. Y'all can tell by the way I'm chewing too. It's disgusting.
But you don't want a mukbang. Shush. The food's delicious.
The food is delicious. They know that, or else I wouldn't have banged it like I did. And I just bit the inside of my tooth.
All right. That was the last bite. I'm so full.
All right, y'all. So as y'all can see, we definitely just went ahead and took the tacos. And if y'all like this video, definitely make sure y'all give this video a thumbs up, comment below, and share this video with everyone that y'all love.
Ooh, for all my ASMR people, that was
good for the ASMR. You can't hear that. So y'all, comment below with any suggestions for video topics. If there's anything specific that you want to see, we did get someone commented on our video today, said that they want to see another prank.
Yes, we did.
So we plan on having another prank out soon. But if whatever you guys want to see, whatever the case may be, just comment below, let us know.
Yes.
We'll put our input in on it, and we'll try to do whatever we can to make sure our viewers are happy. We have a lot of suggestions
though we haven't even got to, so we're sorry about that.
Our
he keeps asking for more suggestions, even though we have a whole bunch of them.
Because we can never have enough. We can never have enough.
Excuse me.
Our YouTube notebook right now is pretty full of ideas, but we can never have enough ideas. No. We're going to be doing YouTube forever. So we have to make sure that we stay fresh with ideas and stuff, y'all.
Stranger Things limited edition Coke.
And I had a coldest water bottle and limited edition bottle.
Ooh. All right, y'all. We really hoped y'all enjoyed that mukbang. We just devoured this food. I just ate 4 whole full tacos for y'all, plus a few bites of nachos.
Sorry. That's called pure advertisement. So if you guys have not, if y'all have not checked out our link for the coldest water bottle, make sure y'all do so. If y'all have not thumbs up this video yet, make sure y'all thumbs it up. Make sure y'all share this video out. This is the Young Thompson Gang. Give me a kiss. Baby, come on. Why every time I do that? Okay.
Alright, Thompson Gang, we're out. Peace.
Ladies and gentlemen, and all the lovers around the world, I want to talk about the one